Hi, NEET SS 2025 exam has been announced on 27th and 28th of December. Good news and things and strategies to follow. So most of the students ask me, is it doable? Is it possible by me when I start now? So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to tell you for those students who have been preparing for last 6 months, 1 year or 2 years, is a time for you to start your revision. So an effective 3 revisions can give you good results. But when you come close to the exam, 15 days of your full-time preparation is very, very important for you and to consolidate and to go on further. And also to give 1 GT per week until your exams. For those students who want to start now after the announcement, those could be freshers, those who have been working, and after seeing the announcement from the National Board of Examinations about the date of the exam, now you can decide and you ask me, can I do it? Of course, yes, you can do it. What should be the preparation strategy for you to start now without have not done any preparation? The best strategy is to prepare for full time for this last 2 months. What you need to do is, the first month you need to acquire all the knowledge that is required. That is, see all the videos and all the PowerPoints and give GT 3 days once from Speed Learning app. And what you do is, the second month, that is the month of December, you will start your revision. Minimum of 3 revisions that you need to do. That you need not watch all the videos. You would have watched all the videos in the month of November. In the month of December, when you revise the PowerPoint slides and make your GTs once in 3 days. So you give as many GTs as possible with the 3 revisions can give you good results. If you ask me, have it has given good results previously? Yes, in my experience of 7 to 8 years of conducting this NEET SS and NESS courses, I have seen students who have dedicated preparation for last 2 months and a full-time preparation have scored a topmost rank provided you watch all the videos once of the lecture videos in Speed Learning app and also the PowerPoint slides 3 times for revision and all the GTs, at least minimum 15 GTs for this exam. And another important crux is you need to follow the latest edition of standard textbooks of your feeder branch. Right now, the 2 important major subjects of medical group has Harrison 22nd edition and for the surgical group, Submission 22nd edition. These 2 books could be a vital and could have a leading edge. For this, we have special sessions which are available in Speed Learning app for you to equip yourself and get the edge and to go on for the exam. So, we recommend and we support and we guide. If you want to do it, you can do it. It's just all about the mindset. It's about the mindset game. If you feel that you can, you can. So, you need to subject yourself and commit yourself fully and start doing it. We can help you and assist you to achieve to the maximum potential that you want. But it's that you need to believe in yourself and you do not self-doubt, you do not self-sabotage. You just go ahead and see that it's doable, it is doable. Thousands and thousands of students have done it and I have trained more than 35,000 students successfully for this process and you can also be trained and you can do it. So it is possible. So respect yourself, believe in yourself, be enthusiastic, be energetic and definitely you can make it. Yes, it is doable. I wish you all the best and all the success for a great preparation of a NEET SS that's going to happen on 27th and 28th of December as per the announcement of National Board of Examinations. And at Speed, on behalf of all the faculty members, I have to assure you that we are going to support you and help you and assist you to achieve your dream super specialty of your choice. Best wishes. What are you waiting for? Scan the QR code or click the link below, register yourself, start your preparation and go ahead for a complete and wonderful preparation to achieve your dream super specialty of your choice. Best wishes.